In today's video, we're taking a look at how to replace your HVAC filter easy and simple. So you woke up today and notice it's about that time to change your HVAC filter. You haven't done it in a while, or you never have, don't worry. Here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. The first thing that you want to do is locate your thermostat and then turn off the system. The second thing that you want to do is locate your HVAC filter housing. It could either be on the ceiling, on a wall, or on the system itself. You can refer to your owner's manual to verify this information. Once we've done that, we're going to locate the tab that you either slide or pull to open to have access to the filter. In this case, we have a tab that we pull. You're going to notice one to the left and one to the right. You want to, at the same time, hold the door, because the last thing you want is that door to give you a left and right hook or a stump in your toes. Once you locate the filter, you want to go ahead and remove it slowly. And depending on how dirty it is, you might want a bag to place it inside. And we want to do this to avoid any of the captured dirt to go on the air, because you don't want to go from a filter change to a house cleaning. Now that we have a big hole on our ceiling or wall, if you notice the door or the housing is dirty, you can take this moment to show it who's the boss. With a brush, you can get in between the grates, and with a rag, you can clean the rest. If your unit does have a filter, there's some information on it that could guide us to buy the next one. Usually on the sides, we're going to see the measurement. In this case, it's a 20 by 20 by 1. But if you notice, right under the numbers is the actual filter size, 19¾ by 19¾ by 7/8. So that means if your system does not have an AC filter right now, you can measure the width and length of the housing to get your filter size. In our case, we have 19¾ by 19¾ So you can take this information to your local hardware store or HVAC system store and buy the new filter, or you could order online. We'll have links on the description. Now that it went from a simple HVAC filter change to a master class in measurement, we will take the new filter and verify the airflow arrow to see where it's pointing at. So now that we use one side of the brain with numbers, we have to use the other side for the imagination part. Because the air is flowing up through the filter up to the HVAC system, we point the arrow up. If yours is on the wall, then you're going to point the arrow pointing to inside of the wall. If you're replacing the one on the HVAC system, then you want to point it to where the air is going to. Now that we went to Disney on our minds, we're ready to install the filter. And to verify that you have the correct filter, you want it to fit snug. Like you can see, it stays up there by itself. Now you're ready to close the hatch. A pro tip, you can write the date on the filter and like that know when is the next change. And doing reverse engineering, we want to pull the tab to the left now. Once it clicks, you're done. You can go back to your thermostat and turn your HVAC system on. Now you can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. You went from home dweller to the maintenance crew. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.